From Panda Garage here today. Bit of a quiet one. I just wanted to do a little quick video to sort of tie us over Christmas. Meant to put it out on Thursday, hadn't got around to it. Very hectic at work at the moment, as all of you would know, and as living in your own lives too, knowing that work around Christmas does get quite insane. So I had to put it on the back burner, but it is Sunday here in Melbourne, Australia, and I thought I'd make this video. Just thanking you all that have joined the channel this year and have been supporters for nearly 3.5 years, 4 years now since I started the channel. We've grown slowly over time, but it's been really rewarding, and I have moments where I go on and off, but I've been trying to keep it as consistent as possible. And thank you to everyone who actually comments on all the videos and watches everything. I really appreciate that greatly. The reason I'm making this video as well is that I haven't actually got any videos lined up at the moment, so I couldn't actually put anything out. But I'm also going to take a break over Christmas, New Year's time, so this will be the last video for 2019, and we'll be coming back about mid-January, I think. At this point, I'll have a few new videos coming out. Going to put in a bit of time over the holidays, not going away anywhere for the majority of the time, so I'll actually be able to do some work on some content here and do some actual work and make some good videos for you guys. So I'm halfway through one at the moment, and we'll have a few others lined up as time goes on. I just wanted to say thank you as well to everyone who leaves their comments and suggestions below on every video, or like here and there. I get a lot of good ideas from you guys, or you ask certain questions that I actually may have not addressed before, and it's really easy just to make a video about it, and if that's helpful, then hopefully you guys will enjoy it. Just to talk about this year in general, we hit 1,000 subscribers this year, which was amazing, and that's really good for the channel now, because we can actually use ad revenue money to actually put into the channel and do some bigger and better videos. So working on that. For goals for next year, I'd love to be at 2,000 by this time next year. It's a big ask because it took us so long to get here, but you never know. You've got to have these higher dreams and stuff, but I'm going to try and put a video at least once a week. Any of your suggestions will be more than welcome, and if it's quite simple and I can do it here, I'll put it out for you guys so you can actually see what it takes to do what you need in the questions. So I get plenty of questions about the cruise still. We no longer have the cruise, of course, and so I can't do many videos on that, but I can always do sort of like videos about how to do it, maybe in a way that I don't need the car to actually demonstrate with. So if you want to see anything like that, leave that down below. Give the video a like, of course, as well. It always is really helpful for the channel. And yeah, just share it with your friends. I'm on Facebook and YouTube. Facebook, we're on YouTube, and we're on Instagram as well. But the YouTube page, you can ask your questions there, and I'll always put up sort of notifications of when we'll have new videos up and that kind of thing. I've been trying out a few new products that I bought recently too. I've got one of those big drying cloths. I've always used these like detailing ones, but they always didn't soak up that much water. Tested it out yesterday. It's just next to me, hanging up on my little washing line, and it works really well. So the car's looking great. Next year, I promise I'll show our actual car. I've been talking about it, and I actually haven't shown it on camera yet. I was going to do that today, but I thought I'll save it for another time when I can do a full walkthrough of the car. Next year as well, I'm hoping to get my project car down here to Melbourne so I can actually start fiddling around with it. It's a bit of an unknown at the moment. I've only got photos of the car to actually know whether or not it's going to be doable, or if it's going to be too much work involved in bringing it back. Has been sitting for 10 years now, but it's in a dry climate, so hopefully it's in still good nick. I just haven't had a chance to see it. It's been at my parents' farm, yeah, for the last 10 years, and I just have not got around to actually going up there and having a look at it myself. But hopefully we can bring that down to Melbourne and muck around with that a bit in this garage. That'll be a lot of fun. I'm sure I'll produce a lot of content too. We've got the Vectra still. We're going to do some work on the Vectra. Got a few little ideas to muck around and test on that. It's sort of my like concept work, or like testing like products, or testing ideas using that car, because it's sort of just our little workhorse that gets around and sort of is used every couple of months for longer periods of time. But if it's sitting at home, I'll definitely bring it in the garage and we'll do some work to it. Also the Jeep. We're going to do some more work on the Jeep. I know a lot of people have been asking different questions about the Jeep. I've got an idea, and I looked it up and I haven't seen anything about it online yet, about how to do this particular thing, and so I'm going to do that. But if anyone's got any questions about the Jeep Compass and would like to see a video on it, please let me know, because I'm happily able to do those kind of videos. We've done plenty in the past and they're doing pretty well, so appreciate that, everyone who watches that. And yeah, if you've got any more information, like any more info you want to know about the Compass, we can do plenty more videos on that. But this thing I'm doing, it's sort of a modification to the car, and it should do quite well in terms of like usability of the car then, because it's a certain thing about it, it's a pain in the ass, and I want to fix that. So we'll get that sorted out. But I just wanted to say thank you so much again to everyone who subscribed this year, watches the videos, supports the channel, giving it likes, comments. Appreciate it all. We've had a few duds on here this year, comment-wise, but that's expected. But I've put them in their place pretty much, so I don't mind that. So if you come at me, I'll come back at you pretty much. I don't really care about image on here. I'm exactly who I am in the garage as I am in person. And yeah, don't appreciate the dumb comments, but I guess everyone in life's the same thing. You get a few that are like that. But yeah, I just wanted to say thank you so much. I've had a lot of fun with the channel. It is just a hobby of mine, so if I can't put a video out, I'm not going to stress myself about it these days. I used to. But I just want to make good videos for you guys, and hopefully you appreciate them all. So yeah, next year, hopefully we'll have plenty more videos. Hopefully we'll have the project car down here as well. Don't know if we'll be doing any more reviews this year. I'm still working on that side of things, but you never know. But I'll review bits and pieces that I've been making up. And I've got a few quick tips about different things cleaning wise. I tested out yesterday and it worked really well, so we'll do that in the future too. Now, to tie you over for summer or over Christmas or winter, wherever you are in the world, if you want anything to watch, and of course go back in my channel and watch any videos you may have missed, you'll probably enjoy them. There's a long catalogue there, about 130 something videos I think. But I thought I'd give a shout out to a few of my favourite channels, friends of mine, that if you are into sort of watching all different types of videos, then these might suit you. You might follow them already, but if you don't, really go over there, give them a follow, tell them that you came over from Panda Garage, and I'm sure they'd greatly appreciate it. So first up, I have to put it to my main man, yes, Scott from MuiTube. If you haven't watched MuiTube before, go check that out. It's MuiTube. I really got confused on the tube there. I'll put it down below anyway, and the links to all the channels will be below as well. MuiTube and I've been filming videos. We used to do a lot of band videos up until about 8 months ago. We don't really do that as much anymore, but of course my channel Panda Explores, if you want to check that out. A lot of cool little places, a few car related ones in there too, which is pretty cool, like old car factories and that. Yeah, Scotty's channel has been fantastic. He's always had a diverse range of videos on there, especially lately he's been doing his photography series, so if you want to check that out, check that down below. Check out my friend as well, Floyd Bromley. You might have seen him on other videos before on the other channel, of course. I've never had him on this channel. Might one day, if I run into him, we'll see some of his cool cars that he's picked up over the years. He's just called Floyd Bromley on YouTube. Does a lot of train expeditions and a lot of tours and like abandoned stuff as well. And so check him out. He'll be below. And also a supporter of the channel from very early on as well, and always greatly appreciated it. So I want to return the favour to him. My friend Sam Young, he has a vlog channel, very talented photographer and videographer. He does it for a business, does lots of weddings and stuff. Been filming a lot of vlogs around America with his wife. So if you like theme park sort of vlogs or just vlogs in general about America and just his he does these great videos as well. He does a lot of 3D printing, and he 3D printed a lot of Star Wars stuff. And I'm not into Star Wars, but I've appreciated the time and talent it took to actually make all these helmets and gear and stuff. So if you want to check Sam out, check him down below. Give him a follow. I think he's under 100 subscribers. So you guys, if you're watching this video, check him out because he's a very talented guy. Been a long friend for a long time. I've known his family for like about 10, 15 years maybe. So yeah, grew up with him. Great guy. And yeah, if you want to check his channel out, leave that down below. And yeah, so subscribe to all of them. Let them know that Panda Garage sent them, and I think they'd greatly appreciate that. So that's it from me. I've probably rambled on a little bit too long. Sitting in my garage here at the moment, and going to go off and start filming some other stuff and doing some other videos. But thank you all so much for this year. 2019's been fantastic. It's been a really positive year for me, and I've been getting back into the swing of things, really working on my craft of being sort of just a home mechanic kind of thing. And I enjoy it. I love it. And I think if you guys can do it and you've got the time and patience, then it's definitely rewarding, because it's great seeing you problem solve on the run. And I learn all of this on the spot sometimes, and I'll make a video about it, or you see me actually learning about it. So sometimes videos don't get completed in a way that you would probably expect, but then again, I'm not an expert. I haven't been trained in any way. I just love learning how to do it, and if you guys are along for the journey, you'll see me learn, and hopefully you learn too. So with that being said, thank you all so much for watching. Check us out on Instagram and Facebook, the Panda Garage. I'll probably post some things over Christmas there, but yeah, from myself and from my wife Laura, who's helped me over the years with the videos too, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you back in 2020, and it'll be one hell of a year. So till next time, guys, my name's Matt. This has been Panda Garage. Have a great Christmas and a new year, and I'll see you in January.